Hey, you guys, it's Mirski back with another YouTube. If you guys like this, you already know what I'm going to say. Make sure you smack the bell so you can get notified when I post a video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel so you can check out all my other content. And check the description box below for any information such as how to donate to the channel, how to join my manifestation group, my private group, Facebook. Anything will be listed down in the description box below. So if you want to, make sure you check all of that stuff out, especially follow my Instagram, you guys. And let's just get into this video. So in this video, you guys, I'm basically going to be talking about manifesting a specific person. I know y'all probably been wanting to hear about this a while. I posted one of these videos on TikTok, and y'all know I posted them back. So if you would like to check out another one of these videos, make sure you look at the card. It's going to be somewhere popping up there. But let's talk about how manifesting a specific person works and how you can do this. So I like to really know. I know that I'm really good at manifesting a specific person. Actually, I'm pretty fucking great at that shit. And this should honestly be one of the easiest things because you're always doing it. You're always manifesting. You're always using the law of attraction. It's always saying yes to you. If you know what the law of attraction is, it's basically, well, I'm just say it's the universe saying yes to everything that you're saying and everything that you're thinking and acting on. You know what I mean? Whatever your subconscious thoughts are and whatever belief system you subscribe to and that you allow yourself to align to, that will manifest into your reality. So if you set the intention or the belief that manifesting a specific person is easy, you can manifest anyone instantly. It doesn't matter who it is. You know what I mean? Then it will manifest in your life. This is the thing, though. People forget the part of detachment and letting go, or it is a hard thing for them, quote unquote, a hard thing, when it really doesn't have to be. See, this is the thing. If you ever been the type of person to be like, okay, how do I manifest somebody and I keep hearing I need to let go, but if I let go, will my manifestation not come through? Where that belief comes from, I don't even know, honestly, because if you think about it, where would it go? Like, you already set the intention. You were already thinking about it. That's just a manifestation of everything in your life. When you're not even thinking about it, it's already manifesting. You know, you don't have to think about the fact that you're in your own home to manifest being in your own house. You know what I mean? Like, you're already here. That is a subconscious belief that you're telling yourself. So if you keep subscribing to the fact, or not even a fact, but the belief that if you let something go, and this can be with anything, that it won't come, then that's going to be your reality. But if you just believe that, okay, I can manifest any person that I want to, I can manifest anything that I want to, I am an infinite manifestation, I am tapped into my manifestation abilities, then that will become you. You know what I mean? So when it comes to manifesting a specific person, imagine them so vividly in your mind. If you have the ability to, see visually these things so, vividly, imagine this person, play out these scenarios with them. Sometimes you don't even need to do that, but this is a good method if you are, well into visualization skills. Imagine you with this person, or imagine them texting you. Even you can call them or text them. If you have in your mind that they want to talk to you, or whatever the case may be, then it's not going to be a motherfucking problem. You feel me? It should not be an issue. If you're manifesting someone, that's a part of the manifestation, you putting in action. A lot of the times people forget, in manifestation or the law of attraction, you also have to work with the universe. You don't just, okay, I'm ready, and you don't do anything. No, you have to put in some effort. Maybe if it is, you got to phone call them. Maybe if it is, you got to text them. Or maybe if you got to talk to somebody about them and da-da-da-da. You see, and everything is aligning to that happening. You know what I mean? So everything works with everything. So you also, too, have to move with your manifestation and with your intention. So when you're setting something, just like if I was to say I want 1 million subscribers on here, and I'm going to get my motherfucking 1 million subscribers. My 1 million subscribers. How am I going to get that if I don't make any YouTube videos? What am I going to... Who's about to subscribe to my channel if I don't put out any content of substance to people so they can actually want to subscribe to my channel. You know what I mean? Unless people just want to subscribe to it just, and then I'll never post anything and they just subscribe to it because I keep telling them I got a YouTube channel and they just automatically subscribe and I ain't never posted a video. It can work one or two ways, but I would say, you know, it works in the way that I'm doing it right now and it makes sense. So that is with the person. You know what I mean? Okay, let's just say if you are not into using the visualization skills, what would you do in terms of manifesting a specific person? Well, you will repeat in your mind or out loud, if you so choose to, you know, say this person is contacting me. This person really loves to talk to me, honestly. This person loves engaging with me all the time. They feel very fond of communication with me. They just randomly reach out all the time. They come to me. Shoot. They come to me. And that's just is what it is. So in my mind, I'm going to tell you this. This is a big hint for me, or a tip for me, because I'm going to tell you what I be doing. I stand so far in my power and so deeply in alignment with myself that you have no choice but to come to me. It literally has no choice but to manifest my reality, because I already set that up in my mind. That's the thing. I was able to manifest so many people in my life, and I still am. I'm manifesting you to watch this video. You know what I mean? It works in the way that you believe it to. So, manifesting a specific person, it doesn't have to be hard at all. You make it to be hard. You make it to be whatever you want it to be. Just think about this person. That's literally a manifestation within itself. If you think about them one time and then you just like, oh my God, I was just thinking about, you ever had that happen? When you just thinking about somebody and then they reach out to you, or you was like, oh my God, I was just thinking about you. Wow, you manifested. You can literally think about something from a detached space. While you're thinking about it, you do not have to attach any feeling, any emotion, any extra added energy that does not serve it. You feel me? This is what I be talking about within manifestation and when detaching. Because when you're detaching, you're allowing yourself and you're allowing the space for the universe to bring it forward to you without the lack-based mindset and without fear and without letting yourself believe that you're limited without it. See, I don't need the motherfucker to manifest in my life for me to be great. I just want you to, because maybe I just want to have a conversation or whatever. You don't need it, but maybe you want it because just why not? You feel me? Or maybe you do need it. I don't know what the fuck. But that's the thing, though. You don't want to come from a needy, desperate, clingy space when you're doing it or when you're manifesting stuff in your life. You just want to be affirming. You want to be self-assured, confident that, oh my God, this is about to manifest. This is always manifesting. It's always manifesting. I'm always manifesting. I'm always doing this shit. And I'm always attracting these things in my life that I so desire. So watching manifesting a specific person be any more difficult or any more difficult, yeah, than manifesting, maybe let's just say, fucking rubber ducky. I manifested this lamp, this ring light, okay? My other ring light broke, and this was actually really inexpensive for a good ring light. I'll be manifesting it. I tell you guys, I be manifesting everything in my reality. Like, I literally just sit here and manifest all day. I manifest even when I'm buying stuff online. I be like, ooh, I already know I'm gonna find the most inexpensive, greatest quality item for myself. Period. Because I'm setting myself up to believe it. So just like if you set yourself up to believe anything negative or attract that, it's literally going to manifest in your life. So why not just do the opposite of that? And it's literally just you being conscious of your thoughts and switching these things. You know what I mean? And, you know, doing some deep internal work to why you have beliefs towards this thing. You know, maybe even money or whatever the case may be. Which we'll talk about on the channel again. Money manifestation. But yeah, you guys, honestly, manifesting a specific person, that's my take on it. Like, in my reality, honestly, manifesting a specific person has to be one of the easiest things ever. Like, I didn't manifest in my soulmate, my twin flame, all of these things. Like, I just be manifesting, like, and you know, the thing is, I necessarily don't even think about it all the time. Some people use candles. I like to do candle magic, or script. That's literally one of the biggest ways that I do for manifesting is I like to script or journal. And literally, I don't even have to script that much to already know. I be scripting in my mind. I script right outside of myself, just looking, the words just flowing, and then it happens. You gotta let your manifestation take its time. You gotta allow the universe to don't just forget about it. You know what I mean? Forget about the shit. You don't even gotta think about it all day. You stay so hung up on it. Just forget about it and keep going about your day. You'll be more you'll be more pleased when you do that. You know what I mean? Just show yourself that you can be at peace without the needing of something. It's not like it's gonna come. It's a specific person. Some people will tell you look at the end, imagine the end, whatever the fuck. I don't know. There's no end to me. I mean, there's honestly there's no end. I mean, if you talking to somebody, once you be present with your manifestation, you'll be present with your manifestation when it comes. See, this is the thing. When it happens, what do you do when it happens? You just remain present with it. You act like you already knew what was gonna happen. It's already happening because I already set myself up to it. When something negative happens in your life or whatever, you don't be like, oh my God, why is this happening? Like, I mean, you probably do, but you don't question the fact that you knew it was going to kind of happen because, I mean, then again, how was I putting it? You know what I mean. But when it happens, you don't have to necessarily be in question of it. Just be present with it. Just be present with it because that's literally what's going to help you continuously manifest with confidence and not questioning these things. But I'm going to do a video on what to do when your manifestation happens because I feel like that could be a very helpful tip or something like that. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe. Smack the bell so you can get notified when I do post another video, as well as if you would like to check down below in the description box for any other information, such as how to book a one-on-one coaching session with me. I do coaching sessions on the law of attraction, on manifesting, tarot sessions, jewelry shop, all of that is really down the link in the bio. And as I'm saying it, I'm just like, ooh, bitch, okay, I feel you. But make sure you go check that out. And I love y'all so much. Peace.